In front of me is TCL 605, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. Begin by holding your search bar and waiting for remove section to show up. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it, and when you see that it's see-through, let go. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, hold your device's display, wait for this pop-up, and tap on Widgets. Then look for a Google app, and when you find it, click on it. To tap on search bar and select Add. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!